Okay, let's now talk about playlists. Well, you know what playlists are. You add your videos into playlists and they will be shown with other videos. If someone will go to the playlist in your channel, for example, if someone will let's go to my channel and they will see the videos, they are going to see, and they're going to see the playlist tab right here, and they can go and watch the playlist tabs if they want. But is it that simple though? Let me just turn it off. Is it that simple? Is it only made to just show it like that? Well, actually not. Playlists are very, very, very useful tool, and let's just find out where can we access it. All you need to do is just find the playlist under the YouTube Studio. You're gonna press this one and you're gonna be opened with something like this. At the moment of the recording of this lecture, this page have not been updated to new YouTube Studio. It's just old YouTube Studio remnant, and here you will see all the playlists that you have. You can create a new playlist here, or alternatively, you can create a new playlist while you are uploading the video. But if you have created a playlist, all you need to do to edit it, for example, press edit playlist, and you'll see something like this. This will open into a new YouTube part, at least for now. So, why playlists are very important and how you should use playlists? Well, the thing is that if you share your videos somewhere, if you share your videos anywhere, or if you share your videos in your cards or anywhere sending or on Facebook or whatever you're doing, whenever you are sharing your videos, if your video is in the playlist, I highly suggest you to share video from the playlist. Let me explain what do I mean by that. For example, if I have that this Mass Effect Systems Alliance episode number 6, if I'll open this one, it will start playing. Let's just pause this one right now. Don't play it. But as you can see, when I opened it, it did not open it in a separate video. It opened it in a playlist. For example, if I will share this link right here, that you cannot see, but if I share the link of the video, everybody who will open the video will see it just like that. They will see the entire playlist on the side. So when the video will be, if they watch the video and the video will be over, it will autoplay the next episode and the next after that, and the next after that. And this is the way to gain a lot of views and watch time. A lot. And this is why you should put your videos in playlists and share videos in your playlist. For example, if you do the videos, sharing your videos in the description of your videos, share them in your playlists. Like share this video, like make this video link shorter, or like link shorter or something like that, like bit.ly or something like that, and shorten this video and share this link instead. Whatever you have, you cannot see it, but whatever the link of the video is. Share it in a playlist. Other thing why playlists are very important other than the sharing is that they actually play a huge role in metadata of the role, meaning that it helps you with higher ranking in the keywords. Why is that? Because in a playlist, you have, alongside the videos itself, like title, description itself, in a playlist, you have another 2 points of metadata or keywords. One is the name of the playlist and another is a description of a playlist. Always fill out name and the description of the playlist. Always, 100%. This will not just help you to be discovered on the separate video basis, but if someone will search for the playlist, let's say I'm gonna go to the YouTube right now and go and search for Stellaris Mass Effect. Stellaris Mass Effect. If I will search for this one, as you can see right away, first video is mine, but this older video. Second, whatever you will see is not my video, but my entire playlist. Third is someone else's playlist. Fourth is my video. Then is my other playlist. As you can see, it is on the top right here. That's why I'm getting the majority of the views for this keyword goes to me, because you open it right away, you see the 5 videos, 4 videos from this 5 is mine. And you can see it, me in the top channel. Top channels right here. And I even win over the channel with over 642,000 subscribers. That's how powerful playlists are. That's how powerful the keywords in playlists are. That's incredible. That's incredibly good. And that's what you should. Top creator, Nixon TV. That's me right here. That's why you should use playlists. If you go down every other, even there, my videos are prevalent. Here is my video. If I go here, these two are my videos. These two are my videos. These two are my videos. All of those are my videos. As you can see, it is these two are my videos. As you can see, they are very, very powerful. This is my video. This is my video. This is my video. This is my video. Just because I have additional way of keywording it in the playlist. That's why it's important, my friends. Use it in playlists as well. Another thing that you can do is you can go for an advanced section. If you press right here and do the playlist settings, you have two playlist settings: allow embedding, meaning that you are allowing someone to embed your video in the playlist, which you always should be selected, and add new videos to the top of the playlist. I don't do it because I usually do it manually. So if you press advanced settings, you're gonna be opened with this one. It will open in older thing, and you can add a playlist settings right here. If you want a playlist being public, private, ordering is manual, date edit, most popular, etc., etc. Set as official series. If you'll do this one as an official series, it is affecting your keywords even more. This is even better if you'll do this one, but this means that you cannot add these videos in any other playlists as well, so be mindful of that. Allow embedding is good. Auto add, if you want to auto add the videos to the playlist. I don't suggest you to do that because you are already uploading it in the playlist while you're uploading the videos. And collaborate if you want someone else to add into your playlist as well. If you select this one, you're gonna press get link, invite collaborators, etc., etc. I'm not using it, but if you want, you can use it. So playlists are very, very powerful, not just because of the ability to share the videos within the playlists and ability to expose your potential viewers to not just one video but to its entirety. For example, I managed to just gain 1,000 views by sharing this video on Reddit, just this video in the playlist. As you can see, this playlist has 1,300 views. I shared this in the playlist and people just jumped on it because some of them, like many of them, just watched the video and just ignored it, but some of them continued watching onwards, on and on and on and on and on. And there are still videos that are still not published. And that's how powerful the playlist is. You will find someone who might be interested in your videos, and he will continue watching your videos. And additionally, if you are aiming for the search, adding keywords in the playlist title and description just boosts and amplifies your ability to rank. So that's why playlists are 100% important, and I highly suggest you to create playlists for every single thing that you can. Not just a very small thing, not just the big things. If you have a video, two videos that are connected to each other, and if you don't have any videos connected to them as well, if you're just two videos, create the freaking playlist for these two videos, guys. Create playlists for these two videos. It's that important and it's that powerful. Use this 100%. And if you have more playlists, it's better. Just don't spam it. Just don't do useless playlists. Just do it however you see that it will be the best for your viewers. Well, this will be it for today. No, not for today. For this one, let's go for the next one.